Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your username on Discord. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through it. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you are in the app, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu. In the menu you'll see your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Click on your profile picture and it will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, look for the option that says account. It should be located near the top of the page. Click on it and it will bring you to your account settings. In the account settings you will find the option to change your username. It should be labeled as username. Click on it and you'll be able to enter a new username of your choice. You can either put in a variation of your current username or choose an entirely new username. If you opt for a completely new username, it's a good idea to inform your friends so they know about the change. Additionally, if you have Discord Nitro, you can change the numbers at the end of your username. However, this feature is only available for Nitro subscribers. After entering your new name, you'll need to verify the change by entering your account password. Once you have done that, click Done to save the changes. Your username should now be updated to the one you entered. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time.